Hey all you cool cats and kittens, welcome back to a JavaScript tutorial on promises. Okay, so what you came for, promises. So it's got a constant here, did keep is in did keep my promise. Let's put it to true. So it's true, I kept my promise, so I'll go through here, resolve and reject. So if did keep is true, which it is, we'll go resolve. So maybe you're waiting for the database to return what this is, then you go resolved, and once it is resolved or rejected, comes down and goes my promise dot then for resolved or dot catch for reject. So put this to false, then goes catch, I didn't keep my promise, which gets the thing from here. So yeah, play around with that and just get a feel for it, read through it a few times. That's the best way to learn. Okay, so we'll go to the next example, which this is the callback way that we used to do in JavaScript. So they bank promises in to replace these anywhere. Got example of a doctor's surgery, so Bill is waiting, Peter is waiting, Bill is waiting. Save this, reload that. Congrats, no one is waiting, lock the doors. So we'll just go to true now for Peter is waiting. Now it just says Peter is waiting. So it's a callback. So if someone's waiting, you're going to get an error. So if one of these is equal to true, you're going to get an error. It's going to come down here and go error, da 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 da. But if it's like this, go through here, Peter's waiting is false, Bill is waiting false, go callback, I'll go no one is waiting, so I'll go log it here, and then I'll call the lock the doors function, it just says lock the doors. Okay, so now we'll go down to the example of the promise version of this. Oop, scrolling down. Save this, see what happens now. Congrats, no one's waiting, lock the doors. True, this should say Peter is waiting, which it does. So here you got the resolve, reject. Peter is waiting, it will reject, and go down and call the catch error. So dot catch is the reject. But then if we go false for both, it'll go pass this, resolve, no one's waiting. And then you'll see you can also go after this dot then, you can put another dot then, which will say console log lock the doors. So now we should get that, which we do, all good. So write this code out, do a few examples, run through it yourself, play around with it. Okay, and we'll go down to the next example, which we just have 3 promises. So this will only return resolve. And so this will run all of the promises at once and then return a dot then. So I've saved this, we get an array of all the resolves. And then the other example is promise.race. So this will just return the first one to finish, which will be clean room. We've put that up the top, so we'll save this. Room is clean. So the first one to finish will get called first, which in this example is always going to be whatever I put up the top here. But if this was a database and this was taking a while to come back, this one finished first, that'll be it. So just call that, and yeah, so I just play around with this. Write the examples, run your own examples, replacing this with that, that and this, etc, etc. Okay, and that's it. So just copy the code and go out and learn.